Hi guys, you have here the Babyliss Optima kit. As you can see, the Optima 3000 1 1/4 also comes with 6 carbon combs and 4 clips, large oval brush, 4 expandable clips, wood tees and brush, silicone sleeve for styling irons, and a protective heat mat. So it comes with all this. This is the extended kit. So this is what it looks like. So let's go ahead and open this up, give you guys a quick look. For those who are wondering, you can purchase it online, so you can visit the link in the description below. If you're looking to purchase the Babyliss Optima, this kit comes in a 1/4 or 1-inch size. Let's go ahead and remove all the parts out. So there you go. You have the flat iron. We got the brush. We also have silicone sleeve. We got the clips as well. Something fell down. We also have the comb set. Really, carbon combs, can't go wrong. Great quality from the Babyliss brand. So if you're looking to purchase this or any of the parts that are included separately, please visit the link in the description. Or you're looking to purchase the Babyliss Optima kit, we have those available. Please visit the link in the description below. So just want to give you the quick 360 look at the new Babyliss Optima 1 1/4 extended kit. You can purchase the flat iron by itself separately without the kit as well. Thanks for watching, guys, and have a great day.